And Daddy.
Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click on the subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up.
Let's see what toys Mommy has for us today.
And let's open them.
Wow, what is that?
It's a boat.
And?
Barbies.
Should we drive around a little bit?
Yeah, I'm going to read this book.
Okay.
Meeny, miny, moe. Let's try to find out.
Oh, you were choosing which Barbie to be?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be this one with the hula skirt. Woo!
Okay, what can we do now?
Let's drive around in the boat.
Yeah.
Who's gonna drive? Are you gonna drive or am I gonna drive?
I know you like driving, so I guess it's my turn to drive.
Okay, I'll sit over here in the passenger side.
Is it okay if I sit on your dress?
Yeah, sit on in there. Oh, cool.
Now let's go see the magic flamingo.
Okay, let's go see it.
Fly, 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 fly. Go back. Here's the magic flamingo.
Oh,
Fly.
this magic flamingo over here?
Yeah. Elephant that has actually stretches it. It actually you see
Is that his nose?
it's like a little bit of blood or a little bit of red water, but I don't know what that is.
Can I see it? Oh yeah, it's just a red dot on his nose.
Yeah, maybe that's where he sneezes. And I'm gonna go get more pets. We got some bananas if they want if they want to eat, and they got more cute pets.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a lot of bananas, so I can't even count.
You could try to count.
They will need a teapot. And they will need some coins so they could buy stuff when they go to the store.
Okay.
All the pig's family, but it's a little bit broken.
Oh, that's nice.
And we're gonna use this as a house.
Okay.
That's a lot of things, but we need a table.
Can we turn this like this and put this as a table?
But that's for the house.
Oh, but it could be the table and the house.
The animals like on the.
Should we put this one somewhere?
You can put it on the table.
Okay.
So we're gonna put the animals on the chair. Yes, put it on the table.
Okay.
And we're gonna have some money, so
Are we gonna eat the bananas too?
they could go on the. They got a little string, so they could do like hopping things around.
Okay.
So we put this right here.
That's a good idea.
Now I'm gonna put their drawings like over here,
Okay.
like a thing. And now, so it has two girls, right?
Yeah, 2 Barbie girls.
Yeah, and that's why we have 2 coloring pages.
That's a good idea. Should we bring the Barbie girls and set them up here too?
Maybe down here could be the living room.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, so let's put this. So we're gonna put past a table.
Okay, like that.
Yeah, but I don't know where to put the seats. There's no space of seats.
We'll put the seats up here. We'll leave the seats up here. What do you think about that?
Then they can't eat from the bottom.
Oh, I see. Okay, let's bring this back up here then.
Yeah, so that could be the living room and maybe bedrooms. So.
Okay, that's a good idea.
They're gonna be a decorate. So, where's I don't know where the door is gonna be.
Maybe the door is over here.
Maybe here.
Yep.
And that's gonna be the wreath. And
This is the wreath on the door?
yeah.
Okay. Maybe I can get it up here.
We need their beds.
What, sister?
Could you come down?
Sure.
I got the house all decorated, and you want to see the bedroom?
Yeah, can you show me?
Here. So around here. So these are our beds,
Oh,
and I got
wow.
it decorated, and those are our brushes.
Are those twinsy beds?
Yeah.
Can you show me how they work?
So I'm gonna sleep here, like this,
Okay, now you show me where I'm gonna sleep.
right there.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
What?
what if you wear my shoes?
Yeah, and then you could wear my... Oh, I don't have shoes on.
That means I could be like you, and you could be like me.
Yeah. What does that mean when you don't have shoes on? Does that mean barefoot?
I don't know how to take them off, sis.
Oh, that's okay. I'll just go with barefoot and you wear your shoes.
Then how could you not wear your shoes when you go to a store? Your toes will be dirty.
Well, I think if I go to the store, I will put shoes on. But are we just going to play at home today?
We're gonna go to a couple stores, but I think it's school day for our animals.
Oh, okay. Should we take them to school?
They need to get ready. And your turn, elephant.
Maybe the elephant can sit like this.
Oh yeah. And this one could sit like this.
That's a good idea.
So they can have their own spots.
Yep. Okay, now who's going to drive?
I guess it's your turn to drive.
Okay.
It's okay if I sit on your dress?
Yep.
I guess everything's all set up. The teacher. Oh, this could be the teacher.
Yeah, this will be the teacher here.
No, I'm gonna go I'm gonna go bring them at school. I'm gonna bring one at a time. Who wants to go first? You, elephant?
Yeah, I want to go first.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, elephant. It's good to see you, student. Are you ready to learn your ABCs and 1, 2, 3s?
It's like her first day. She come to school first, but she come to school a long time because she was sick on that day.
Oh, she was. Okay. Is she feeling better now?
Yeah.
Good. Well, we missed her, so we're glad that she's back.
Yeah. And we got more pets.
You do? Let me see them.
Your turn.
Oh, hello, little kitty. Welcome to school. Are you ready to learn today?
It's like a fox.
Oh, I guess it is like a fox.
And now it's time for the twinsies.
Oh, the twins. Good to see you, twins. Welcome to school. Are you ready to learn today?
Yeah, she is.
Okay. I'm going to go down here and teach them.
Okay, done.
Are you guys going to drive to go to work now?
Bye, sweeties.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye.
And what are you going to learn at school today?
Can I learn how to draw a kitty cat?
Yeah, we got plenty of drawings here.
Okay.
This could be for you.
Show me how to do it.
And this could be yours, elephant. And I don't know what you need.
He's going to share with Elephant over here on this side.
Yeah.
Because see, we can go like this. And now he can draw on this side and he can draw on that side.
You mean she.
That's right.
They're all she.
Oh, they are all she's? All girls? Oh, okay.
What are you going to do?
Today for snack time, we're going to have bananas.
Today for snack time, we're going to have bananas and some fish.
That sounds like a good snack.
For project, you're gonna learn about how do you make money.
Okay.
So
How how do we make money?
So, gonna have that pet.
That's a little fox pet.
So,
With a unicorn
so
horn.
we're gonna take the green thing out of the bananas, and we have to like put them in a crayon, and we have to, and you have to work on your. That's how you make money.
Can you tell me one more time?
So you have to learn that you. Could someone just hands on top? Everybody stop and look at me.
Okay, we'll learn about money another time.
So you need to listen to all of this. Okay, so the circle time is gonna be here.
Oh, yay, circle time.
So you can just sit here, and you can just sit over here.
Okay.
And
Can the fish pretend to be a student too?
no.
And the bananas too?
No.
And the teapot?
No, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
That's where the teacher sits.
Okay.
Okay, so today we're gonna learn about.
Here,
Okay.
put this one over here like this. And then put this one over here like this.
So let's do Who's Here Today song.
Okay.
Who's here today? Who's here today? Everybody clap and sing. Who's here today? Fox is here today, and he has to dance. Fox is here today. Everybody clap and sing. Foxes came to say, and Twinsies here today.
Yay.
Twinsies here today. Everybody clap and sing. Twinsies came to play, and elephants here today. Elephants here today. Everybody clap and sing. Elephants here today, and flamingos here today. Flamingos here today. Everybody
Dance and play. The flamingos here today.
and everybody's here today. Everybody's here today. No, everybody have to dance.
Oh.
Everybody clap and sing. Everybody came to play.
Woo! What a fun day. I like circle time.
And now we have to do the Day That the Week song. So my teacher assistant, come pick one. Elephant, you're my teacher assistant.
Okay.
Come pick a stick.
This one. This one.
Fox, you're up. Fox, you're gonna do the Days of the Week song to point.
Okay.
Okay, so the pointing is here, and we're gonna start with Days of the Week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Okay, so it's gonna be, everybody, you have to follow me. January.
January.
February.
February.
Stay in your spot. March and April.
March and April.
May and June.
May and June.
July and August.
July and August.
September.
September.
October and November.
October and November.
December.
December.
Now we're gonna do now we're gonna have nap time. So, elephant,
Yeah.
you're gonna sleep here.
Okay.
And twinsies,
Yeah.
you're gonna sleep here.
Okay.
And fox,
Mm-hmm.
I guess you're gonna sleep with the twinsies because you study with the elephant already.
Okay.
Time to wake up!
Oh, what a good sleep I had.
Fox. Now it's time for lunch and snack time. So lunch we're gonna have fish. Here's the
Yummy.
fish.
Fish is my favorite.
And now we're gonna have banana for snack time.
Banana?
Okay, now everybody eat.
teacher's turn. Teacher gets a snack too.
I'm already here.
Oh, Mommy's here to pick us up.
Now, okay, I'm back.
Okay, well your kids were so good today. Are you ready to take them home?
Pat, who wants to go on the boat first?
Me.
Okay. Fox, what are you doing?
I'm gonna wait with the teacher until you get back.
Okay.
Okay, now take me.
Oh, me.
Bye-bye, twins. Bye-bye, Fox. Okay, my turn. Bye-bye, elephant. We'll see you tomorrow.
Wait a minute, teacher. Don't go to school tomorrow.
Oh, there's no school tomorrow. I forgot about that.
Okay, now drive. Now, sis, could you bring the animals?
Yeah, I'll grab them. I'll grab the twins first, okay?
Ah!
Uh-oh, Foxy.
Foxy, are you okay? Wah, wah,
Oh.
wah, wah,
How's he feeling?
wah,
Should we take him to the doctor?
wah. No, she's okay. I'm gonna put her on my bed.
Okay, I'm gonna get the elephant.
Wah, wah. Okay, she's asleep.
Okay, I think we've had enough playing today. What do you think, sister?
I don't know, but Twinsies and elephant.
Yeah, they're up here. They're gonna color in the coloring book a little
Twinsies,
bit.
elephant, I need to talk to you.
What do you want?
You can't play with Fox because she's asleep.
That's okay. We're gonna play coloring.
Yeah.
Hey, sister, I'm gonna watch the two animals that are coloring, okay?
Okay.
You can go to the store now. Bye-bye.
I forgot my money.
Oh, you better get your money.
I'm gonna put it in my skirt.
Don't forget to get me some bananas and some beef.
Okay. Okay, I'm at the store. We're almost done with this video. And I'm gonna get some.
This is the beef.
I'm gonna bring this puzzle picture.
A puzzle picture?
And now I'm gonna bring probably a teapot that could hopefully help. Sorry, I don't need it. Okay. I'm done shopping.
Okay. Oh, hi, sister. You're home already?
Yeah. And I got a puzzle picture, and I got some bananas.
Oh, bananas. Thank you. I know that the little animals will really like to eat those bananas.
Yeah, I'm gonna go share it with Fox. I'm gonna go get Fox.
Okay.
Hi, Fox.
Hi.
Is he awake?
Yeah.
Here. I buy a puzzle picture that I don't know where it is, and I bought some bananas if you would like.